Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my New Year's resolution video. So I'm going to be filming this video in different locations and just sharing what I want to improve this new year. New Year's resolutions usually don't work out for me, but I really enjoy having hope that I can be a better person in the new year, even if it doesn't even happen. And they're just fun to make. Without further ado, let's get on into the video. My first resolution is to go to the snack bar a lot less. So at my school, we have a thing called a snack bar. The snack bar is very addicting, and literally kids go there like 2 to 3 times a lunch, and I'm one of those kids. When I first started visiting the snack bar, it wasn't that bad. I would only go like once every 2 lunches. But now it's come to a thing where me and my friends go together. It's just a routine. It's probably the reason why I'm gaining like a lot of weight. So I should really stop going to the snack bar as much, and making a resolution to just cut something out completely is not really a great way to stop using it. So my goal is to go to the snack bar twice a week, which may seem like a lot to you guys, but I used to go like twice a lunch. So it's really an improvement. Another New Year's resolution for me is to drink a lot more water. And I actually have an exact amount that I want to drink. I want to drink a gallon of water every single day. So I made this challenge on my YouTube channel about drinking a gallon of water every single day for 7 days. I kept it up for 7 days, but it was more like a challenge to me. It wasn't like a lifestyle. So I wanted to make it a lifestyle choice, drink a gallon of water every single day. I don't want it to be a huge challenge. I just want it to be natural, and I want to do it every day because I know it's going to be great for me. I currently have drank 32 ounces today, so I'm going to try to drink 3 more of these, just get more water in, because honestly, being a healthy person is not only about being active, it's about what you eat and drink. You could literally just lose weight by drinking a gallon of water every single day and eating relatively healthy. So, chug. Stop laughing at me. Okay, let's move on to the next resolution. My next resolution is to plan my videos out at least 1 month ahead. I have my videos planned out for the next 2 weeks, but I still need these other weeks to be filled. So if you guys have any ideas on what videos you want me to make, just DM me. I remember when getting video ideas was so tough for me, and it still really is hard, but since I've been planning my videos more ahead, it's been a lot more easier to manage my ideas and get them out for you guys. So I definitely want to plan even more. Something that like is really important to me and something I really need to work on is taking 1 day at a time and worrying less about the future. One of my church leaders was talking to me about how God gave us our daily bread, and He doesn't want us to worry about tomorrow and other days. A lot of times I spend so much time worrying, and it really cuts away from my productivity and things that I could be doing just on the daily basis. And I feel like it's really important to just take 1 day at a time. I mean, it's great to plan ahead, like I was just talking about planning my videos ahead, but also it's so easy for me to like start thinking about the future and things that aren't really necessarily worth worrying about. Another thing that I really want to work on in the new year is be more honest about my feelings for other people, and also just things that are going on my mind instead of writing so many songs about it. I mean, yes, music is such a great outlet, writing is such a great outlet, but I just need to have more courage and be honest about how I feel, because I do come off as a confident person and I do try like my best to be that persona, but it can be very easy to lack courage or be afraid of rejection, and that's definitely something that I face. So I just want to be more brave this year. Another really important goal I have is to take constructive criticism more thoughtfully. I think I respond to constructive criticism in like a kind way, but right after it's given to me, I just dismiss it. I just say, oh, this is like negativity. Sometimes the criticism really is necessary. Instead of just forgetting about it, I should really take that constructive criticism, think about it thoughtfully, and like see what I can change. And I think that I can improve so much more in 2019 if I really just took that criticism. This one is definitely something I struggle with, and it's to set my priorities straight. Yes, I do YouTube, but yes, I have school, yes, I have piano, and I should really learn to, right when I get home, do my homework, do my piano, and worry about YouTube later, instead of putting it first, because then it causes me a lot of stress. I'm behind on things. I need to just take more time for myself and set my priorities straight instead of just trying to please other people. I saw this quote, I think it was on Snapchat, and it was like, all stress and anxiety comes from pleasing other people, and it's so true. Reading the scripture every single day should definitely be a New Year's resolution for me. I think that a lot of times I think about God, go to church, but I think that reading at least 3 Bible verses every single day would really help me, because the action of picking up a Bible very often is just always great, and I feel like it can really help maintain a relationship with Jesus with me. thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really like the idea of me moving around my house and showing you guys different things that I want to work on in the new year, and I hope this really inspires you guys, and I really hope I keep this up. I really can't wait for 2019, and I really hope it's a great year for this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out that video about people that made or broke my 2018. I think you guys will really enjoy it, and I'll leave it in the description box down below. And I'll see you in 2019.